All right, so taking a look at this next one, checking the units here, a couple of things we have to take care of. These centimeters, so 10 to the negative 2 meters, or convert it or slide the decimal or divide. It's the same thing as 0.0536 meters. We also need to keep in mind that by default, our standard unit for magnetic field strength would be Tesla, and we want millitesla as an answer, so we're going to have to build in and convert at some point. Now, our formula on its own, magnetic field strength B is equal to mu naught, which is a special constant, multiplied by the current through the wire divided by 2 pi r. So we're looking at basically like the ring around the wire. So 2 pi r for circumference. Kind of a nice thing happens though. Mu, or mu zero rather, is 4 pi times 10 to the negative 7 for its value. It has some units with it, but I'll write that into the next part. And so actually, the 2 and the pi from the bottom can cancel, and the 4 pi can get knocked down to just a 2. So we can adjust this formula to make it a little bit easier to deal with, and that constant can be turned into 2 times 10 to the negative 7, so the number that we've already seen, but then now Tesla times meter divided by ampere. Then over here, we still have the current, and on the bottom, we still have the radius. Okay, but from here, we can plug in. Everything's been adjusted because we've already looked at the units. Oh, well, that's not true, is it? Right? So with Tesla down here, millitesla up there, so 1,000 millitesla is 1 Tesla. That's going to fix everything for us. I suppose we could have done that in the next part, but it's fine here too. All right, so 2 times 10 to the negative 7 Tesla times meter over amp. Then the current, 230 amps. It's a good deal of current there. Then the radius on the bottom, 5.36 times 10 to the negative 2 meters. And then again, to fix our units for a final answer, 1,000 millitesla over 1 Tesla. So if we look, right, so Tesla cancels Tesla, amps cancel amps, meters cancel meters, and lo and behold, just like we needed, millitesla on the bottom. Okay, so then multiplying these together, there's a few different ways to run through. The fact that this is 1,000, you could turn that into 230,000 or make this 2 times 10 to the 4. Either way, when you go and you multiply these together, on the top, you're going to get 0.046, and then on the bottom, same as what we saw up at the top here in blue. This is just 0.0536 millitesla, because those are the only units we had left over from earlier. And then here, if we go ahead and divide, 0.8582 millitesla.